Hello, I'm Bob Allison, WB1GCM at the ARL Laboratory here in Newington, Connecticut. Let's take a look at the TenTec 539, also known as the Argonaut 6. Well, here it is, the Argonaut 6. Quite different from the early Argonauts. Comes with this big microphone and a very simple design. Audio and RF controls, your filter bandpass and bandwidth, and your function knobs up here. Main tuning knob has a good feel to it. Little kickstand underneath, microphone connector, flip it around. Here's the back side, antenna connection, little DC voltage out here if you need it, a USB connection for upgrading the firmware, accessory plug, key jack, and headphone jack. Headphone jack's on the rear. DC power in, and that's where the fuse is, and the speakers on top. Well, let's turn it on. On it goes. Takes a little bit of time to come up. There it is. Up comes the audio. And we're on 10 meters. Tuning is very smooth. And let's explain the switch here. It's top, medium, and bottom, TMB. If I flip it up to the top, I'm now adjusting the power, the split, AGC, and the A and B VFO. If I put it in the middle, I'm adjusting the band, the preamp, the noise reduction, and mode, etc., etc. If I put on the bottom, RIT, memory write, memory read, and the user for adjusting microphone and line level input levels right there. So we can adjust the mode over to lower sideband, upper sideband, and AM. I found an unusual little quirk about this. I can send CW with a microphone. How about that? Well, here's the inside of the Argonaut 6. Most prominent are the roofing filters. This is the optional 6 kHz AM filter. The stock filters underneath this panel, you remove the 2 screws and you have 2 slots, F2. Comes with the 2.9 kilohertz roofing filter for sideband CW operation. But we installed the 700 hertz roofing filter, and that dramatically improved third order IMD dynamic range. Here's the heat sink for the final transistors right here, and of course your output filtering. Nice, neat, clean layout. The filter bandwidths are variable, and you can listen up to a 6 kHz bandwidth on single sideband and AM, or on CW narrow it all the way down to 100 hertz. That's very flexible. I'm Bob Allison, WB1GCM at the ARL Laboratory.